Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our odd parts feature or option located within our configuration for our imports. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into the program, so just so you guys know, this is going to be a mini series on the import tab found under our configuration feature. So I'm just going to zoom in here so you guys can have a look at where this icon is located. So it's configuration. If we click this, it's going to open up our configuration tab or panel, and then here's our configuration, our import tab, which is the first one. As you can see, we've got quite a few different options to look at, but today we're going to be looking at odd parts. Now, odd parts you'll only be using if you're actually importing complex vector designs. So if it's something like a basic cutout of a product, then you would want to make sure this is off. You don't need it on. But as soon as you want to go complex, make sure you enable this, because otherwise if you don't, your program will just load forever and eventually possibly crash. Not saying it will, but I sometimes have to end mine through the terminal, through the task manager, just so that I can carry on. So it's very important, make sure this is checked, but don't worry, if you import it without it checked, it will warn you about it. So I'm going to enable mine now, click apply, okay. And then make a new sheet here. I'm just going to go 1000 by 1000 and zoom in a bit. So now what you want to do after you've enabled that under your configuration, you go to file or open file, locate to your vector, and then let me select that. It's just something I made in a vector program. Say open or select. I'm going to go manual quantity 1, and then we say add. Now in the bottom here, you can see the green bar running, telling us that it is busy adding it. We also have some more information here, total number of entries, and yeah, it's got a lot of entries. So it's quite a complex thing, and that's why you need your odd parts enabled. And so like I say, if you do not, this thing is just going to run and run and run, where this is quite a short wait you had to do just in able to add such a complex design. And what you can do after that, just like any other part, you go add this to your part. Now if it's too complex, it might destroy your entries if it's got custom entries. So I'm going to go nesting, or sorry, cam, and then let's see, it might give us a message. Okay, the summer didn't, so all our entries are still the same. And then you can obviously preview it. You go to NC, here we go, entries, exits, or loops will be destroyed. Will destroy the part. Continue. I'm just going to say yes, and then we can see on our left it's running our code. Okay, I've put it on 12, so you didn't see the actual process, but as you can see here on the final product here, it has done all the cuts and yeah, gone into a completed state with your actual art piece in the project. So once again, just a quick reminder, so if you want to actually import odd parts, like here it won't look right, but once you're in your program it looks right. You want to go to configuration, make sure odd parts are enabled, and then import it. I'm just going to switch it off so we don't need it now after it's been in. But yeah, otherwise that is it on odd parts for your, from our import configurations tab. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.